Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Cabinet kala menjur ya ka jing ai jing mut ban Thaw no ya ka Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy kum ka society ban Pyntbit ban yo ya kinong Hikai ki babiang na ka benta ki khana school jong ka jila ka MTTA kande ka society ka balat luet ka badai hapo jong ka DERT ban yo ya kinong Hikai ki batbit ha kalyang baro na ka benta ka jila ka MTTA kan pet biang tang habaya dei bat ka jing ai jing Hikai ya kinong Hikai ka benta ka badon kam bha ban kintiu ya ka puli puthi kinong Hikai ki don kam ban Pyntbit yala de habun ki benta ka jing don jong ka MTTA kan long ka jing mentoy shibun bat ka jila kan yoi ya kinong Hikai ki batbit ha ki benta baro.
The next was the proposal for establishment of the Meghalaya Teacher Training Academy as an autonomous society to drive high quality teacher education, capacity building and professional development. So this is a society which we are proposing, which will be under the DERT, to basically focus and look at teacher training as its component, and it will be a body and a society that will be run independently in terms of its functioning. There will be professionals in it, and teachers training is a very important part of our exercise to improve the overall education sector. And of course we require different kinds of trainings for different levels of teachers, and therefore we strongly felt that an autonomous society is required for this particular training to happen. Government departments and agencies have multiple tasks to do, and hence sometimes we are not able to focus on the training aspect. But this society is being created specifically for training, and there are different funding agencies that are there that have funds for training of teachers, and they all do their training at their own capacity, at their own level, which sometimes does not yield the kind of final results that we would want. And hence one society would ensure that the focus is there, and every agency or every program that is there where there is a funding for teachers training, funds will be transferred to this society, and the training will be done at a professional level by this particular society.